Hi, it's Rob, DBS Remodel. Welcome back to the kitchen I'm doing in Poughkeepsie. I just wanted to give you a quick update. A lot happened this week. So you'll see above me, right here, we got the beam in all the way from that outside wall all the way across the kitchen. So it opened up this whole area. You can see this whole area is all wide open now. This is the framing for the island. We got kind of a nice little, kind of a horseshoe type shaped island. The electric is all done. Come in, we're gonna have some recessed lights put in. They ran all the wires for the new outlets, under cabinet lighting. Insulators came in, insulated everything because it was getting cold at night. So we got that all insulated for the homeowner. So tomorrow we have an insulation inspection. Monday, we close it all in with sheetrock. So that's going to happen all next week. The sheetrocker will be here. He'll be doing all the taping and coating. And then the following week, right before Christmas, we're going to be putting in the hardwood floors and sanding everything down and refinishing the floors. So it's not going to look like a lot's happening in the next week and a half or so, but they're big, important steps. And then the paint and cabinetry. So just, stay tuned for more updates, and I'll see you soon.